Hello everyone. You can see here, my TV remote is completely unresponsive. You know how frustrating it is when your remote just stops working. No matter how many times you hit it, we instinctively check the batteries. I'll open the compartment, take out the old batteries, and even put them back in, thinking it might just be a loose connection. I'm shaking it, hitting it again, but as you can see, nothing happens. It's still completely dead. Since it's not the batteries, I'm going to start by fully disassembling the remote. I carefully remove the battery cover. This reveals the internal components. I'm taking out the existing batteries, and with a small screwdriver, I'm prying open the connectors to separate the controller into two halves. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll continue to carefully disassemble the remote, separating the front panel, the rubber button pad, and the main circuit board. You can see how all these parts fit together. The circuit board looks a bit dirty, and the rubber button pad has seen better days. It's important to be gentle to avoid damaging the delicate components. To confirm my initial thoughts, I'm going to use a multimeter. I'll test the old batteries first. I'm checking the first battery. It jumps around a bit but settles at a healthy 1.38 volts. This tells me the battery itself isn't the problem. Let's check the second battery. Again, it shows a solid 1.47 volts. So it's confirmed the batteries are not drained. The power source is perfectly fine. This means the problem lies within the remote's mechanics or electronics, not its power source. Next, I'm grabbing some 90% ethanol alcohol and a few cotton buds. These are perfect for getting into small spaces and gently cleaning delicate components. I pour a small amount of alcohol into a cap. The key here is to clean the circuit board thoroughly. I'm gently scrubbing the green circuit board with the alcohol-soaked cotton swab. This removes any built-up dirt, dust, or corrosion that might be interfering with the electrical contacts. A clean circuit board is essential for proper function. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm also going to clean the rubber button pad. On the underside of each button, there's a small conductive pad. Over time, these can wear down or get dirty, causing buttons to become unresponsive. The alcohol helps remove any grime and revitalizes the conductive material, ensuring better contact with the circuit board. Now for a clever hack. I have a pile of old batteries here. I'm going to take an old AA battery and carefully use pliers to cut it open. I used scissors to cut a small piece off the casing of this battery. This part is crucial for improving the conductivity of a particular button. With a tiny drop of super glue, I'm carefully attaching a small piece of the casing of this battery directly onto the conductive pad of the power button on the rubber keypad. This essentially enhances the worn-out conductive material, making the most frequently used button far more responsive and reliable. It's a simple fix that makes a huge difference. Now that all the components are cleaned and the power button is enhanced, I'm ready to reassemble the remote control. I carefully align the rubber button pad with the front casing, then place the circuit board on top. I snap the two halves of the remote back together, making sure everything is seated correctly. Finally, I insert the fresh batteries and close the battery compartment. I'm pointing the remote at the TV and pressing the power button. Look at that! The TV turns on instantly. I'm changing channels effortlessly, and every button press is registering perfectly. Our old unresponsive remote is now working like new. This DIY trick saved us from buying a new remote, and it's incredibly satisfying. If you enjoy our friends, and leave a comment below telling me if you've ever tried fixing a remote like this before. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.